decided to do a quick video. This video is a little different. It is some items that I picked up at my local small flea market. I went into, it's like a African vibe flea market, and this is my first time going in it, and I loved it, and I definitely will be visiting it again. So do stay tuned for more videos from this place. So I went in and picked up just a few things this go round. So I wanted to come on here and show y'all what I got. So the first thing are these socks. You get about 24, no, hold on, y'all. About 24 pairs of socks in here. So, and it was $6. Yeah, so picked up these for Levy and Loyal because Levy really, she doesn't really need any socks, or her sisters, but Loyal did need some new socks because his feet is growing, and Levy could fit into these, so that's why I said Loyal and Levy, because they can like share them, especially during the summertime. Those really come in handy. So yeah, sorry, somebody was calling my phone. Next up, I grabbed these bras, and they look like this. I thought they were so pretty, just so pretty. You could never have enough bras. So anytime it's a good deal on some good bras, I picked them up. But I'm really going to get to see, you know, how good they are. But these were 35 bucks, and you get about 6 bras in here. So yeah, I grabbed those. It's about 6 or 7 bras in there. Then I picked up a very nice dashiki. I love these. They're so just gorgeous and beautiful. And when I saw this color, I had to have it. And it looks like this. Very, very pretty. So I grabbed that. And this was 12 bucks. And they had, oh, sorry, y'all. Somebody's still calling my phone from that crazy number. Anyway, they had these in every color you can think of, every style. I'm definitely going to get more for the spring and summer. And they had ones for the little girls as well. So I'm going to grab some for my daughters as well. And like I said, this was only $12. And you can tell it's made of great material, so it's not going to shrink or fall apart on me. Next, I grabbed, and my camera probably was shaking some, but I grabbed these pants here. These are actually for Lavinia. They are just some army fatigue leggings, but kind of like, somewhat like leggings. Y'all know, like the active wear. That's kind of like how it is, that material. Not as thin as leggings, because she would not be wearing those out unless it's under something. But also this shirt came with it, and it has like the drawstring with the hood. This set was $20. Kind of a little bit on the steep side in my opinion, because I've purchased two pieces for her that were cheaper, even 2 pieces for myself that were cheaper. But yeah, this was 20 bucks, and with these, like the crop tops or whatever, she just puts a pairs it with like a cami that matches the color that's in it. So yeah, got that for her. Then I grabbed some spiritual items. So I grabbed sage. I make sure I stay stocked up on sage in my home. So because I like to sage my home at least once or twice a day. So I grabbed some of that and paid respects to my ancestors. I also grabbed some of these incense by a company named Him. These were in there, and like some of them were almost sold out. Like the money one was almost completely sold out, and which one was this? And the Pier House one was almost sold out. So I grabbed these. I've never tried these before, but I'm going to give them a try. And then this one is named Cleaning Powers, like Cleaning Powers, and this one is the Pier House one. So yeah, and this one is the Money House one. So definitely gonna burn these and see how I like them. So yeah. Next, I grabbed some more incense, and these are, if you hear that noise in the background, it's my kids playing. But these are the black coconut, and they smell amazing. Really had to get these. I had smelled a couple before I finally chose some, and I grabbed these because I hadn't had this particular scent before, so that's what made me grab them. And I'm sorry if my camera is shaking. I have it on my stand, but I'm holding it like with my foot, so that's why it's shaking, y'all. I just had to prop it up real quick just to get this video done. Next, I picked up a necklace, and hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. I have the hardest time pronouncing it, but yeah, I picked this necklace up. I thought it was very pretty, and just symbolizes the journey that I am on spiritually. So yeah, grab one of these. And last but not least, I grabbed a wallet. I'm glad I remembered because I was getting ready to leave, and it dawned on me that I needed a wallet because my wallet that I had in my bag that I'm carrying is broke. So and I will be doing a what's in my purse video very soon. But yeah, so I grabbed me a wallet. It's a unicorn wallet. I'm gonna open it up for y'all, and it was only $6. And I think it may have a cell phone. Yeah, it has a cell phone holder on the side of it and everything. Very cute. But it looks like this. And here's your cell phone holder, which you just press the latch and it opens up like that. So yeah. And then it unzips here. And it has like the chain and stuff that goes to it, the carrier handle, with a handle that snaps on it, everything. So yeah, very cute wallet. Really like it. So yeah, that's what that looks like. So yeah, that's everything that I purchased at my local flea market. Hope you lovers enjoyed this video. Sorry if it was a little shaky. Like I was saying, I was propping this up with my foot. Just wanted to show y'all what I got real quick. So if you see any of these items here that maybe you're interested in, just let me know, and you can easily cash app me and I can pick it up at my local flea market and ship it to you. So yeah, just wanted to come by and say hi, y'all. Hope all is well, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Yeah.